Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will see the new experiment number 23. To observe the study the effect of diphenyl hydramine in experimentally induce asthma in guinea pig. Okay, to observe and the study the effect of diphenylhydramine experimentally induce the asthma. Diphenylhydramine act as a antihistamine. Now you can use in the animal guinea pig. Animal you can use in the practical is guinea pig. These animal are used. Now these animal are used, you produce the asthma. You can use the aerosol of histamine. हिस्टामाइन का स्प्रे करेंगे आप. दैट स्प्रे प्रोड्यूस द अस्थमा टू द guinea pig animal. That spray, you know, the histamine generate the allergy. Histamine is a potent. What is histamine? Histamine is a potent biogenic amines present in various biological fluids, platelets, leukocytes, basophils and mast cell. Now see, the histamine is a biogenic amine. It should be present in the various part of the body. Is a biological fluid. कहाँ पे रहता है वो biological fluid? Platelets, blood में, leukocytes, basophils and mast cell. Generally it should be in the mast cell, and that mast cell is present lungs, liver, skin, mucosa. It should be present and it generate the allergy. The drug which reverse the action of histamine by competitive antagonism is called as antihistamine. See, drug used treatment of the histamine allergy, that is called the generally antihistamine. The drug or histamine is produced the competitive antagonist action. The allergy is there, reverse the action. The drug which reverse the action of histamine. जो हिस्टामाइन एलर्जी करते उसको रिवर्स करते यानी उसको प्रिवेंट करते. that drug is called as the antihistamine. The commonly drug are used diphenylhydramine. This drug are used act as an antihistamine or anti-asthmatic is used. Chlorpromazine is a common drug, anti-allergic. Chlorpheniramine maleate. Pheniramine maleate. that is called CPM. It is used for allergy purpose, common cold allergies. These drugs are act as antihistamine, diphenhydramine and the chlorpheniramine, and the histamine act and the histaminic receptor H1 is should be present. H1 receptor is location should be in the bronchi. Bronchial smooth muscle is the bronchi. H2 receptor it should be present. H2 receptor it should be present in the GIT, gastrointestinal, and H3 is present. H3 receptor present in the CNS. Now here is a drug CPM, diphenhydramine. These act on the H1 receptor, that is an allergic drug, and the H2 receptor, that is ranitidine, cimetidine. These are used for the peptic ulcer cure के लिए. This drug is act on the H2 receptor, and H3 is the H3 present in the CNS. These are the H1, H2, H3. These three receptors present in the body, bronchi, GIT and CNS respectively. Now allergy is created by antigen antibody reaction is on the mast cell, that is anaphylaxis shock. आप बोलते हैं ना शॉक, एलर्जी आ गई एकदम अचानक, एनाफाइलेटिक, that is anaphylactic shock. The shock is due to, this shock is occur, the shock is due to antigen antibody reaction. It include bronchoplasm, reaction in the bronchoplasm, action the mast cell surface. How they are produced? The see, allergy is generated by the pollutant. Allergy कहाँ से आती? Pollutant. ये dust air में से should be the come. This pollutant from the air, हवा में से ये जाती lungs में. lungs में जाने के बाद where is goes to, this goes in the mast cell. ये mast cell है. that mast cell surface पे ये उसकी एंटीजन गया. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होगा? बाहर ये एंटीबॉडीज़ है. एंटीजीन, ये एंटीजीन है, एंटीजीन, और बाहर ये एंटीबॉडी है, एंटीबॉडी. दिस शुड बी फॉर्म अ कॉम्प्लेक्स on the mast cell surface. These antibodies, all the antibodies, these all antibodies. Next step is the antigen and antibody complex on form on the mast cell surface. ये mast cell surface है. mast cell surface form ये antigen और ये antibody, antigen antibody, antigen antibody, antigen antibody form a complex on mast cell surface. Now what happened now in the mast cell? Next should be this, due to the form of complex antigen antibody, influx of excess calcium on the mast cell. Influx, इसमें क्या होगा? excess calcium entered on the mast cell, इसमें influx हुआ calcium, and finally this cell is the burst and allergy is created. That is called the anaphylaxis shock. Allergy, they produce the bronchoplasm. Difficulty in the breathing. What is asthma? Asthma में क्या होता है? Difficulty in the breathing. This is a mechanism of action. Are you understand? Now you can see the instrument. You can use the histamine. Now see the histamine chamber. This in front of you, the histamine. See the histamine chamber. पकड़ लो, ये हिस्टामाइन चेंबर है. यहाँ पे रहता स्प्रे. These are the two chambers separated by perforated screen. ये perforated, that having the hole. यहाँ से इधर एयर पास होना इसलिए. Okay, this chamber, two chamber in the histamine, they are having separated by perforated wall. And that histamine chamber having here is the small orifice. They transfer the histamine spray. The animal 1 and animal 2. You can give the number या otherwise marking to animal. कलर दे दो एनिमल के सर पे, एक लाल दे दो, एक बोलो 1 शुड बी द विद ड्रग, 1 शुड बी द विदाउट ड्रग. अभी यहाँ पे होगा एनिमल केप गिनेपिक्यूलियम, दे शो द विदाउट ड्रग और ये ड्रग का दोनों को हिस्टामाइन दे दिया. व्हाट हैपन, यहाँ पे पहले दिया द डिफिकल्ट इन द ब्रीदिंग, हिस्टामाइन है, स्प्रे टू द हिस्टामाइन. हिस्टामाइन देने के बाद क्या होगा, एनाफाइलेसिस शॉक जनरेट होगा, एंटीजन एंटीबॉडी कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म ऑन द मास्ट सेल, they produce the bronchoplasms and difficulty in the breathing, fall down in the neck. Afterwards you can give the drug. डायफेनहाइड्रामाइन आप एक को देंगे, एक को नहीं देंगे. जिसको ड्रग दिया उसको फिर हिस्टामाइन देंगे. हिस्टामाइन देने व्हाट हैपन, दोज एनिमल हैविंग द ड्रग ही डोंट हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी इन द ब्रीदिंग. उसका ब्रीदिंग में डिफिकल्टी नहीं होगा. जिसको ड्रग नहीं है उसको ब्रीदिंग में डिफिकल्टी होगा, फिर उसकी नेक शुड बी फॉल डाउन. is called as the histamine chamber used in treatment of produce the artificial asthma. Okay, you must remember the instrument, that instrument called as the histamine chamber. बंद कर दो. The effect of diphenhydramine experimentally produce asthma already discussed. Mechanism of action and analysis shock. Now animal can use the guinea pig clear. Now see the requirements of the study of metabolism or structure action histamine and like the substance those are create the energy to understand the pathophysiology of asthma. To understand that asthma is an inflammatory illness result as a result of bronchial hypersensitivity known as bronchoplasms. What do you mean by the bronchoplasms? Plasms generally in the lungs, inflammation of the bronchial area, the difficulty in the breathing, that of the bronchoplasm. To understand the allergy for responsible for asthmatic inflammation by releasing the histamine-like substance in the body. To know the histamine-like substance are accountable for hypersensitive reaction involved. To understand the histamine stimulation of smooth muscle bronchi result in bronchoconstriction causing difficulty in the breathing. Now see the requirement. Now we get here is remdesivir. We can write down histamine 20 mg per ml diphenhydramine is the antihistaminic drug is used dose 2.5 mg per kilo as per body weight of the animal. Instrument is a aerosol chamber, just you see it. Method protection componist histamine aerosol. Person over the reactive to substance tolerated by most others say hypersensitive, that is allergy. The substance which induce the allergy are called as allergen. This allergen entered in the body due to the air and polluted in atmosphere. There this allergen generally build antibiotic like penicillin, vaccine, typhoid, snake's venom, pollens, dust, and the body, etc. The most common reaction, anaphylaxis reaction, antigen antibody, produce the anaphylaxis reaction on the mast cell surface, and they create the allergy. They release the histamine, prostaglandin, and kinase is responsible for inflammations. Mediated caused by vasodilation, increase the capillary of permeability, increase the smooth muscle contraction of lungs, difficulty in the breathing, pains, increase the mucus secretion, आप उसको बेड़गा बोलते हैं, cough. As a result, there is difficulty in the breathing, running nose, wheezing, and along with the shock due to the vasodilation. Such condition treated as an adrenaline injection and antihistamine drug. See the procedure. Here you can see the difficulty in the breathing. Animals show the neck should be the followed. Difficulty in the breathing. See the stomach chamber. That is the aerosol. They are the liver gauge. Aerosol that can transfer to the stomach between the perforated wall to chambers of stomachs. This should be sprayed. You can take the animal. There is a perforated wall. They can transfer the aerosol and it will move to animals. The pump transfer the aerosol. Stomach is released. Drug is given in the marginal airway to the rabbit. That is an anti-histaminic drug. C. The rabbit came in the stomach chambers. There are two animals. How do you see the ear is marking in the blue that have eaten drug, they eat the drug. Those animals having the drug, they don't have difficulty in the breathing. The animal without drug, they are in the difficulty in the breathing. It should follow with the leg. It should be the follow like that. The release stomach, drug is given. See the marking animal. How you can identify the mark. So there will be effect. It's a control animal and it is tested E and C. Control without drug, then in the drug. Therefore, you can see the diaphragm atrophy, which is histamine, and from the H1, they are present in the lungs, bronchi, receptor H1. And difficulty in the breathing is occurred because they are from the H1 receptor. H1 is present in the bronchi, smooth muscles. Is the observation level C. C control without drug, silence position. Duration stomach chamber. What you can see, difficulty in the breathing, bronchoplasms, deep abdominal breathing, and the head drop. That like that. When tested, drug is given. Without drug, with drug, diaphragm and antihistamine, instrument is aerosol. Anyone delivered to normal breathing because the diaphragm determine act as an antihistamine. That's why it shows the normal breathing. And the C control animal and only saline, they don't have drug. But aerosol is given. Allergy is generated. Due to the allergy, they show difficulty in the breathing, bronchoplasms, deep abdominal breathing, and the head drop.